Continue, continue. Okweyongera, tweyongera, weeyongere. Once again, okweyongera, tweyongera, weeyongere. Okay, for pronouns he or she in Luganda, ye, we use kweyongera. For pronouns he or she in Luganda, ye, we use kweyongera. For we, in brackets, fe in Luganda, we use kweyongera. Kweyongera. Once again, for pronoun we or fe in Luganda, we use kweyongera. For pronoun it, cho in Luganda, we use kyeyongera oba yeeyongera. Once again, for pronoun it or cho in Luganda, we use kyeyongera oba yeeyongera. Pronouns they or bo in Luganda, we use beeyongera since they are plural. Beeyongera. Whereas for pronoun you, gwe in Luganda, we use okweyongera. For you or gwe in Luganda, we use okweyongera. Okay, let's have some examples such that we understand how to use continue. Number 1. We will continue reading. We will continue reading. And the pronoun here used is we, indicating we're going to use kweyongera. Okay, we will continue reading. In Luganda, it is fe tujja kweyongera okusoma. Fe tujja kweyongera okusoma. So in this case, continue is used as kweyongera in Luganda. Example 2. She will continue supporting Arsenal. She will continue supporting Arsenal. Ye ajja kweyongera okuwagira Arsenal. Ye ajja kweyongera okuwagira Arsenal. Since she, here we use kweyongera. Since she or ye in Luganda, we use kweyongera. Example 3. Continue walking along the road. Continue walking along the road. In Luganda it is weeyongere okutambula ku luguudo. Weeyongere okutambula ku luguudo. The next example. If it continues to rain, we may cancel the program. If it continues to rain, we may cancel the program. And this in Luganda is singa yeeyongera okutonnya, ffe tuyinza okusazaamu pulogulaamu. Singa yeeyongera okutonnya, ffe tuyinza okusazaamu pulogulaamu. Okay, the next example. Continue working hard. Continue working hard. Continue working hard. Weeyongere okukola n'amaanyi. Weeyongere okukola n'amaanyi. So working is okukola. Weeyongere okukola n'amaanyi. You must continue farming. You must continue farming. Can you guess the pronoun used here? Okay, it is you. And you, we said in Luganda, is gwe. So in Luganda, you must continue farming. It is gwe olina okweyongera okulima. Gwe olina okweyongera okulima. And if you don't look at how to use must, please refer to playlist 1 about using must. Olina. Okay. That is how we use continue oba okweyongera. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Let's meet up in the next video.